Study abroad requirements. You need to know before applying to universities. Are you considering studying abroad but not sure what exams and tests you need to take? Let's break it down for you. First and foremost, most universities abroad require international students to take an English proficiency test, such as the TOEFL or IELTS. These tests assess your ability to communicate in English, which is crucial for succeeding in an English-speaking academic environment. Next, depending on the program you're applying to, you may need to take standardized tests like the SAT or ACT for undergraduate studies, or the GRE or GMAT for graduate studies. These tests help universities evaluate your academic abilities and potential for success in their programs. In addition to these exams, some countries may require you to take a visa interview to assess your intentions for studying abroad and your ability to support yourself financially during your stay. It's important to prepare for this interview to increase your chances of obtaining a student visa. So, before you start your application process, make sure to research and understand the specific exams and tests required by the universities you're interested in. Good luck!